Next up, delayed package for Turncoat. In this, we need to pick up Turncoat's package, then place it above the plane's front landing gear in Pa Lang's airfield. Zooming into the far north side over here, this is the airfield that we need to go to, and we need to go to this southern airfield hangar over here, the abandoned hangar. Before you come over here, in spawn, you'll need to check a chair in the commanding tent where you can pick up a 2x2 box from Turncoat. This box you need to travel all the way over here with and find your way into this building. Now also, on top of this mission you do unfortunately require a key, which is the Hangar 03 key over here. You can only get this from killing bots in this general area over here. Once you have this key, which I unfortunately don't, you'll need to head across to this southern hangar over here. This area will be mildly peppered with a few bots. It shouldn't be too difficult to find your way into. We'll need to head across to this hangar, approaching from the backside, so we can get into this room over here and place it just in front of the plane's front wheels over here by this little light. You can see the door around the back here. So heading around the back of this building, now that we've got rid of the last AI in this area, so that we're just 3 of them here, 4 of them actually, you'll find this door over here on the far west side. We'll need the key to enter this building here, and once we do, we'll just run across to the front of the plane where we can place the package. That's it. Hit F to place the package, and we're pretty much done with this quest. It should mostly be safe, as you don't really need to engage with these bots over here, you just need to run around the backside. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.